Hey everyone, and this is the video for grade 9 science, chapter number 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. This is topic 6, Evaporation, part 2. In this video, you will be able to understand the applications of evaporation. I hope you all remember, in the previous video, we have studied the concept of evaporation. And in this one, we will be studying some real-life applications of the topic evaporation. So let's begin. Where will the wet clothes dry quickly? In the sun or in the shade? Yes, you all are right. Wet clothes will dry quickly in the sun. Evaporation is faster at higher temperatures. The temperature in sunny areas is higher than that in the shade. As a result, wet clothes dry quicker in the sun than in the shade. Moving on to our next application. It is always advisable to wear cotton clothes in summer. Chalo, let us understand why. During summers, we perspire more. The sweat comes out through the pores in our skin, which evaporates after absorbing heat from our body. तो ये जो sweat है, ये हमारे body से heat absorb करके evaporate होता है. And as the process is evaporation, we know that it will result in a cooling effect. Hence, we feel cool. Also, cotton is good absorber of water. So, cotton clothes readily सारी sweat को absorb कर लेते हैं और ज़्यादा sweat absorb करने के वजह से the evaporation rate speeds up. So, this speeds up evaporation of the sweat and makes us comfortable. Our next application. Is it possible to obtain cold water without the refrigerator? Yes, with the help of earthen pot. An earthen pot has small pores in its walls. When water is poured into it, some of the water seeps through these pores to its outer surface. Means हम जैसे ही पानी डालते हैं ये earthen pot में, तो ये पानी it reaches the outer surface of the pot और वहाँ पहुँच के water का evaporation होता है. We know students, for evaporation the water must absorb heat. So this heat which is required for evaporation is taken from the pot and from the water in it. तो जैसे ही heat ये water में से if it is taken, then it is going to result in the cooling effect, and as a result the water in an earthen pot gets cooled down. Moving on to our next application about a desert cooler. So this is how a desert cooler looks like. If you see here, there is a pad of dry grass or wood shavings. And on this pad of wood shavings or dry grass, continuously water is getting circulated. So there is circulation of water. पानी हमेशा ये dry जो grass है या wood shavings है उसमें क्या होता है? Circulate होता है. So whenever hot air it passes through these wet pads of wood shavings, तो क्या होगा? जो water है, जो पानी है, which is present on the wood shavings, this water will take or will absorb the heat from the hot air and it will get evaporated. And we all know evaporation, it leads to a cooling effect. So because of evaporation, जो water है जो continuously circulate हो रहा है, also the wood shavings or the dry grass, दोनों भी क्या हो जाएगा? It will become cooler. And if the wood shavings or the water is cooler, the air surrounding them will also become cooler. And hence, the air which comes out of a desert cooler is cold. Interesting, isn't it? Do you all know that trees acquire more leaves during summer? During summer, when the temperature is high, a tree must transpire more to keep itself cool. And we all know transpiration takes place through leaves, isn't it? So more transpiration requires more leaves, and so trees acquire more leaves during summer. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.